Is MBA still a good career option? For many, the question still prevails. It's a perennially controversial question whether one should go for an MBA or not. And why shouldn't it be? Because MBA takes a lot of time, money, and effort. So it's worthwhile to think if you should do an MBA or not. Though pandemic and economic crisis might have shaken our faith in going for business studies to some extent, but it could never wipe out the popularity of MBA because of several reasons which we will be discussing today in this video. Hi everyone, we are here with yet another video from Hitbullseye, and today I will be giving you 5 reasons of why you should do an MBA. Reason number 1 can be, it helps you gain business understanding. Many of us are not from business background and lack knowledge of business, marketing, finance, IT and operations. So when students from different background and least business knowledge go for an MBA, it becomes an eye-opener and an opportunity for them to learn from. Reason number 2. MBA is great for career change and provides thriving business opportunities. Many students take MBA to either change the industry they are working in or to advance to managerial and administrative position. Also, MBA grads get a plethora of jobs to select from depending upon their specialization. Some world-class companies that hire MBA grads are Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Bain & Company, Walt Disney, and so on. Reason number 3 is to expand and diversify your network. These schools give you exposure to peers, faculty, and wide network of alumni from different professional backgrounds, opening gateways for you to many industries and sectors. Reason number 4 is MBA helps you develop management skills and confidence. Owing to the interaction with students from different educational and geographical background and the curriculum taught, students of MBA develop apt managerial skills and leadership qualities. MBA degree forces you to get out of your comfort zone and it shapes your personality in a positive way. And reason number 5 is high job security and salary. Among other things, job security and high salary are also alluring factors to go for an MBA. Corporate recruiters consider an MBA as an asset because of the skills degree holder possesses, and this substantially increases their chances of getting a good job. Apart from this, one may start his own business or launch a startup of his own anytime. Isn't this fascinating? If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.